This lawsuit could reverse the layoffs, reopen grants, and put Elon Musk agency on trial. If you've been furloughed, reassigned, or sidelined by one of DOGE's directives, this could be the legal turning point you've been waiting for. So 14 states have filed suit challenging the constitutionality of the so-called Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE. Their claim that the agency was created without any statutory authority, that Elon Musk, appointed as a special government employee, has been exercising the kind of power that's legally reserved for Senate-confirmed officials. This is not just political theater, guys. It is a challenge to the core of how lawful authority works inside the federal government. So let's break this down. Under the Appointments Clause of the Constitution, only officers confirmed by the Senate can exercise principal authority. That is the safeguard designed to prevent exactly this kind of end run around democratic oversight. It protects the public and the civil service from unilateral executive control. And now, thanks to a ruling from Judge Tanya Chutkan, that claim is moving forward. The court dismissed President Trump as a defendant, but crucially refused to dismiss the case against Musk and DOGE. That opens the door to discovery, which means that we're about to find out who signed the orders that led to agency shutdowns, who authorized the seizure of agency data and systems, and whether DOGE has any statutory basis for its actions. And if the states are right, the consequences could be sweeping. Nationwide injunctions that block future DOGE actions, reinstatement of furloughed and terminated staff, reopening of shuttered offices and frozen grants, and a declaration that all of DOGE's directives were beyond legal authority. This matters for the entire federal workforce, and particularly so for employees of color, disabled and probationary employees, the people who are most likely to be cut first, rehired last, or written out entirely when unvetted directives are handed down. It's not just bureaucratic, it's personal, it's racialized, and it's real. So what should you do? Well, don't panic, but don't stand still either. Update your resume. Document every impact DOGE has had on your job or your team. Save emails or directives that altered your schedule, your duties, or your funding sources, because this case isn't just about Elon Musk. It's about the survival of nonpartisan governance. And if this goes to trial, the receipts will matter. Southworth PC is tracking every filing, every brief, and every ruling. And I'll be right here breaking it down in plain English with real-world context. So follow for updates and share this with someone who's been affected. And remember, we have used the rule of law to stand up in the past, and we're ready to do it again.